Good morning, everyone. This is your Cloud News update for December 28, 2025. We've curated the top 3 stories from Hacker News you need to know about. Here we go. Kicking things off at number 3, Apple is making waves in the open source community with something pretty incredible. The tech giant just released a free AI model on GitHub that can instantly transform your regular 2D photos into immersive 3D views. Yeah, you heard that right, instant 3D conversion. This is a big deal because Apple rarely open sources their technology, but here they are, giving developers and creators access to powerful spatial imaging tools. The model works surprisingly fast, processing images in real time without needing expensive hardware or cloud processing. Think enhanced photo apps, better AR experiences, and new creative possibilities for everyone. This could democratize 3D content creation in ways we haven't seen before. Apple's clearly playing the long game here. Taking the number 2 spot, we've got a story that sounds like science fiction but is absolutely real. Janet Jackson had the power to crash laptop computers, according to Microsoft's devblogs. And no, this isn't clickbait. Here's what happened. Engineers discovered that playing Janet Jackson's 1989 hit Rhythm Nation would cause certain laptop models to completely freeze and crash. The song's specific frequency resonated with the natural frequency of some hard drive components, literally shaking them into failure. It even affected laptops nearby that weren't playing the music. Microsoft had to add the song to a custom filter list as a security vulnerability. Talk about the power of music taking on a whole new meaning in the tech world. And claiming the top spot today, here's something that's turning heads in the commodities market. According to the Wall Street Journal, an ounce of silver is now worth more than an entire barrel of oil. Let that sink in for a moment. We're talking about a complete flip in traditional commodity values. Oil prices have been sliding due to global economic concerns and oversupply issues, while silver has been surging on industrial demand, particularly from the solar panel and electronics industries. This historic crossover hasn't happened often, and it's a clear signal of how dramatically the energy and metals markets are shifting. This could reshape investment strategies and signals major changes ahead for both the energy sector and precious metals markets. And there you have it, your top 3 stories for today from Hacker News. Stay informed, stay inspired, and never stop learning. This is your Cloud News anchor. See you tomorrow.